Prabhakar Mourya, your innovative water expert, and I am the founder of the Immunity Cult Center for Self Healing. And today I am going to tell you the demonstration of iTerra, how to use it for our application, for our body, for any ailments over there. It's going to impact the cell, going to help the cell. Cell needs three things. One is nutrition, the second is water, and third is charge. So this is the iTerra gives the Terra frequency charge to the cells. Now let's see the procedure. The first thing is that take a glass of water or a bottle of water. If you have a bottle of water here, switch on it and then just do like this. So depends upon the model. This is a basic model. It's you need to do at least 30 seconds to 1 minute, and after that have a glass of water, such that every cell needs water to work, to procreate, and then to take on all the diseases from the cell, whichever is there, the toxins there in the cell need to be detoxified. Water is needed. So this is the terahertz charging we are giving to the water to make it charged. And after this, we need to take the water. Please take the water. So 1 glass of water, you will take it, and after the therapy is done, again you will take another 1 glass of water actually. So that's the whole process. Yeah. Now we are starting. So we need to start with for the spine, because spine is the center for all the body, and then all the nervous systems rotate from the start from the spine only. So like this. So it should be perpendicular. We should make sure that this particular device is perpendicularly shown to the spine, the central spine, and from the starting the L0, then we need to come to the bottom actually. The same way we need to go up and down, up and down, up and down. And then it has a worm, so people you can adjust the speed of the fan, how much you can bear it. Based on that you can do it actually. So this is how you do it. Slowly do everything. The whole body part, the nervous system starts from here, so that's how it happens. So you need to continue for 5 minutes for the spinal cord. Now you put the hands. Then the hands. The hands, in fact, all the body parts, nerve endings are there on the palms actually. So on the palms, now 5 minutes we have told for the spine, and then 2 minutes on each palm. So 2 minutes and 2 minutes. So 4 minutes. 4 plus 5, 9. And another 2 minutes and 2 minutes on the base of your leg actually, the foot. So there you need to do it. So it's completed 13 minutes is the basic protocol. The moment we do 13 minutes of basic protocol, after 13 minutes, then the affected area, wherever you have more problem, there you have to do a longer period. Longer period means from 2 minutes to 20 minutes. At a session you can do it. And you need to make sure that in a day it should not increase more than 2 hours. This is more important. And then much more important thing is that after taking the session of this iTerra, you should not take bath. You should not take ice cream. You should not take any cold things. You should not be in AC, air conditioned room, because the cells are given charge. So it takes time, and then it needs energy to procreate. By that time, the moment we take cold things, then it coldify the whole process actually. So you should not take cold, that one. So this is the most important thing when we take the iTerra session. Should not take bath, should not take ice cream, and then we should not be in AC for that actually. And one more important thing is that for females, when they are into their menstrual cycle, they should not use it. When they are pregnant, they should not use this device. And any person who has implants, like if they have pacemaker inside, they should not use in that area actually. And if at all they have implants anywhere in the iron and all other things there, then you need to not use in the hot fashion. You need to use in the cold fashion, and then on the both sides you need to do it, because this cannot percolate to a metal. It can percolate to a plastic, through a cloth, through a glass, but it cannot percolate through a metal actually. So now I am going to do on the hand. So this is the way it feels actually. So we need to make sure that every part of the palm is covered. So this will activate the whole body part. It will activate the whole body part. If it is more burning, then keep it away. Keep it away. Or else you can keep a kerchief also to reduce the sensation of the heat. You can reduce that also. When you have a pro model, the pro model has an option that you can also have a cold option. So this is the basic model. It's a classic model. It doesn't have the cool option, but in the pro model you have a cool option also, where you can do it with a cool, and it can be applicable on your face, on your skin, wherever the sensitive part is there, that you can do it actually. So remind that the basic protocol is that it's 5 minutes on the spinal cord, 2 minutes and 2 minutes on each palm, and then 2 minutes and 2 minutes on your base of your leg. So this will make 13 minutes the basic protocol, and after basic protocol the problematic area. If you have any tumor anywhere, if you have any wound anywhere, if you have a pain anywhere, so then you will do from 2 minutes to 20 minutes based on the requirement over there. So thanks for watching our video, and please watch this video till end, and keep tracking for the next video. We will be coming up with a very informative solution. Thank you. Signing off, Prabhakar Mourya, Innovative Water Expert.